So let's forget about the other day. That was the past. This is the present. Let's move on with this.
We can't just forget about it. They ruined our footage. We need revenge.
You weren't even here.
My dog died. Plus, you know, I'm always in the loop of things.
They're already better at us at anchoring. We have to beat them at the weakest spot they have. Foley.
Excuse me?
You said you can do a dolphin noise.
Oh yeah, barely. I'm still making other sounds.
Alright, well, let's get started.
Okay, so we're gonna play a video and you're gonna provide sounds.
I know what a Foley artist does.
Good. Camera's rolling. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Why did you say that? You can't say that. You weren't here. 3, 2, 1. This just might put us in the lead.
Is that a point?
Yeah, that's a point.
Wait, I have an idea.
Why did you bring us here? Why?
We challenge you to Foley.
Nathan here is the best Foley artist in this class period.
My idea's the best in town.
We'll see about that.
Haven will determine the sounds you're making, and to be fair, we got a random guy to judge the sounds.
Let the challenge begin!
Ducks quacking.
Quack, 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 quack.
Nathaniel.
He loses? Okay.
Horse galloping.
That was bad.
Maria. Dragon screech.
Roar.
Nathaniel wins.
Maria totally won that. Do it again.
Oh.
Lightsaber noises.
Now you gotta fight to the death, or else it's not gonna work. No fair!
No, I did!
You only won because you can't accept the loss.
Sorry, that was me.
Looks like we get a point, losers. Yeah. Good job, Salami. We did good today. We're in the lead now.
I'll go import the recordings from the challenge.
We're living the life right now. We could literally make a show out of this.
Guys, the recordings are gone.
Damn it, Carlos. Why do you insist on deleting our footage?
Well, how else am I supposed to corrupt it?
No, I mean, like, why do you keep doing it?
Well, because I want to win.
I don't know. Maybe if you get better teammates?
True. There's a cat outside. I need to feed it salami.
Why do you have salami?
Because that's your team name. I eat you for lunch. And your team sucks. Bye.
Damn it, Carlos.
They're just being petty. They know we're better than them, so their only solution is to just delete our footage.
They're onto us.
Damn it, they found our secret.